तो well done.
We made it to the Bonvita Quiz Contest. To the Bonvita Quiz Contest.
बोनवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं हूं सौम्या टंडन। हमारे शो पर देश के कोने कोने से बहुत ही होनहार बच्चे आते हैं। हर प्रांत का अपना रंग होता है, अपनी भाषा होती है, अपना कल्चर होता है, लेकिन फिर भी इन सब बच्चों में एक चीज़ कॉमन होती है, ज्ञान की खोज, सर्च फॉर नॉलेज। तो आइए इसी ज्ञान के इंद्रधनुष को फिर से सेलिब्रेट करें, लेकिन सबसे पहले बुलाते हैं हमारे फेवरेट क्विज मास्टर डेरेक ओब्रायन को। Hi Derek.
Soumya, what's your favorite color?
Red. What you're wearing?
Okay, my favorite color is blue, but doesn't matter whether it's blue, red, green, yellow, purple, indigo, because in a few days from now we're going to celebrate the festival of colors. Happy Holi in advance to you and everyone else. And let's go ahead now and meet our semi-finalists. The first of our semi-finalists who've qualified from 4,200 teams. Here they are, Holy Heart from Amritsar, Punjab. All the best.
सार्थक धवन,
Pahulpreet Singh.
From Punjab, we get across to Tamil Nadu, Chinmaya, Chennai.
Vishnu Kamath.
अतुल जटिया,
And the third of our teams, representing another state, Paschim Bongo, this is Don Bosco, Kolkata.
देवोदित्य प्रमाणिक,
Arkadev Sengupta.
Well, we've met the three teams. We're going to have lots of fun as we get into our first round. It's called Innings.
इनिंग्स के रूल्स बहुत सिंपल हैं। आप सभी को दिए जाएंगे 5-5 सवाल। हर सवाल के होंगे 4 ऑप्शंस। अगर आप पहली बार में सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे 100 पॉइंट्स। अगर आप दूसरी बार में सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे 50 पॉइंट्स, और अगर आप तीसरी बार में सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे सिर्फ 25 पॉइंट्स।
So the idea of this round is to try and score maximum number of points, because the top 2 teams from this round will play our final round called Super Over. All right? Holy Heart Amritsar, come right across.
होली हार्ट अमृतसर से सार्थक और पाहुलप्रीत।
All the best. Here's the first of 5. Which festival is known as Fagwa in Bhojpuri?
हैलोवीन, होली, पोंगल या बिहू?
Option 2.
पक्का पक्का होली,
Paka Paka.
Pakka Pakka Holi.
तो होली है। आपका जवाब बिल्कुल सही है और आपको मिल गए हैं 100 पॉइंट्स।
Very, very good. 100 on 100 now. Second question for you. Good luck. Which spice is also known as yellow ginger?
किस मसाले को पीला अदरक भी कहते हैं? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं सौंफ, टर्मरिक यानी कि हल्दी, कार्डमम इलायची या फिर जलेबी।
पक्का पक्का टर्मरिक।
Pakka Pakka 100 points. Very, very good. Excellent. Holy Heart Amritsar, from holy to turmeric. You've got 200. Now geography. Okay? Which continent has the longest coastline?
किस महाद्वीप की कोस्टलाइन सबसे लंबी है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अफ्रीका, यूरोप या एशिया?
Asia.
पक्का पक्का एशिया।
So simple. Pakka Pakka Asia is the right answer again. Holy Heart Amritsar. Very, very good. 3 on 3. Now let's try the movies. Rockstar was the last released film of which legendary actor?
राज कपूर, शमी कपूर, सुनील दत्त या देवानंद?
Paka Paka Shami Kapoor.
शमी कपूर पक्का पक्का।
Have you seen the movie?
यस
You haven't seen. Your friend has seen the movie.
यस।
Shami Kapoor acted in Rockstar. Pakka
Pakka
Pakka Rockstar. 400 points ho gaya. Very, very good. 400 on 400. Now, can you make it 500 maximum? Good luck. The name of which fruit comes from the Latin words for seeded apple?
किस फल का नाम लैटिन वर्ड से आता है जिसका मतलब है सीडेड एप्पल? लीची, बनाना केला, ऑरेंज या पोमोग्रेनेट?
Pomegranate का हिंदी क्या होता है?
अनार।
Okay.
लीची, केला, संतरा, अनार।
पक्का
Paka Paka pomegranate.
Pakka pakka pomegranate, anar, seeded apple. Why do you think there's seeds there inside? If you get this right, 500 out of 500 means 100% you're going to play the last round super over. Holy Heart, Amritsar, unfortunately for the other teams, that's the right answer! Very, very good. Holy Heart, Amritsar, what a fantastic start to put everyone in the mood for Holi. 500 on 500, come right across because now from Punjab, we're going to go across to Tamil Nadu. Chinmaya Chennai, come across to play innings. Chinmaya.
चिन्मया विद्यालय चेन्नई से अतुल और विष्णु आपके सामने बहुत ही हेवी स्कोर का टारगेट है 500 पॉइंट्स.
Chinmaya Chennai, 5 questions. Remember, here's the first of those 5 questions. Which currency note in India is mainly green in color?
भारत में कितने रुपए का नोट मुख्य रूप से हरे रंग का होता है?
पक्का पक्का 5.
ऑप्शंस के पहले ही आपने जवाब बता
Very
दिया.
good. Pakka pakka 5 without the options. 5, 10, 20, 50. You're in a big hurry, but 5 is the right answer. Good start, Chinmaya Chennai. Don't be in a hurry to count those notes. Wait for the options. Okay. Good. 100 on 100. Wonderful. Keep going. Second one. Who among these was the wife of a Mughal emperor?
इनमें से कौन एक मुगल शासक की पत्नी थी? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, रजिया सुल्तान, नूरजहान, जोन ऑफ आर्क.
पक्का पक्का नूरजहान.
Okay, well done, Chinmaya. Pakka pakka Noor Jahan. Good. Question number 3. For which film did Karan Johar win the Filmfare Award for Best Director in 2011?
कुछ कुछ होता है, माय नेम इज खान, कल हो ना हो या तारे जमीन पर.
My name is Khan पक्का पक्का.
My name is Khan Pakka Pakka. Can you make it a hat trick? 3 in a row. What is happening today? Well done.
Well done.
My name is Khan. Karan Johar, Filmfare Best Director last year. Super. Question 4. In 2008, who received the first copy of India's first e-passport?
2008 में किस भारतीय को ई पासपोर्ट की पहली कॉपी मिली थी? प्रियंका चोपड़ा, प्रतिभा पाटिल, सोनिया गांधी या सचिन तेंदुलकर?
प्रतिभा पाटिल पक्का पक्का.
Pratibha Patil Pakka Pakka. Pratibha Patil is the...
राइट आंसर. तो मुस्कुराते रहो. वेल डन.
Here's your last question. Science. Apart from Uranus, which planet was discovered after the invention of the telescope?
यूरेनस के अलावा किस प्लैनेट को टेलीस्कोप के इन्वेंशन के बाद खोजा गया था? नेपट्यून, वीनस, जुपिटर या फिर अर्थ?
नेपट्यून पक्का पक्का.
नेपट्यून
नेपट्यून.
पक्का पक्का. माय गॉड डेरिक, अगर ये जवाब सही है तो कमाल हो जाएगा. इन्हें भी मिलेंगे 500 पॉइंट्स.
Let's see. When do you think Neptune was first discovered?
After the discovery of Uranus.
After the discovery of Uranus. And when was the telescope invented?
Before the discovery of Uranus.
You have any dates in mind?
No.
No idea. Just guessing. Telescope 1600s. And you said Neptune pakka pakka. Neptune is the right answer. Very, very good. Neptune was in the 1800s. Telescope was in the 1600s. You've done very, very well. Chinmaya Chennai, 500 before that. Holy Heart Amritsar, also 500. So loads of pressure now on Don Bosco School, Kolkata. Don Bosco School, Kolkata have to get 500. If they don't, Chinmaya Chennai will play Holy Heart Amritsar in our final round called Super Over. We'll be back with more questions, more answers. Bas!
कुछ ही पल में.
पक्का पक्का.
30 pakka pakka.
अगर आपका ये जवाब गलत है तो आप 500 के टारगेट को अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे. और आपका ये जवाब
Bonvita Quiz Contest.
देख रहे हैं बोनवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट। होली हार्ट अमृतसर ने इनिंग्स में 500 पॉइंट स्कोर किए। चिन्मया विद्यालय ने भी 500 पॉइंट स्कोर किए। अब देखना यह है कि क्या डॉन बॉस्को कोलकाता भी इस हाई टारगेट को अचीव कर पाएगा या फिर ये लोग घर जाएंगे।
All set? How many ribs does a normal human being have?
मानव शरीर में कितनी रिब्स होती हैं? 24, 30, 41 या 45?
30 पक्का पक्का।
30 पक्का पक्का।
30 पक्का पक्का। अगर आपका ये जवाब गलत है तो आप 500 के टारगेट को अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे और आपका ये जवाब गलत है।
Okay, so it's not 30. You can still play. Do you think it's 24, 41 or 45?
Pakka pakka 24.
Pakka pakka 24. That's what you just said in the first place. It is 24 ribs. Don Bosco, Kolkata. That is basic biology, but doesn't matter. You got 50 points. Now let's play for 100 points. Now come on. .af is the internet code of which country?
अफगानिस्तान पक्का पक्का।
Afghanistan without the choices. Pakka pakka. Very very good. 100 points. Good job, Don Bosco. 150. Try this, Don Bosco. The Quwat-ul-Islam Mosque is to the northeast of which monument?
किस मॉन्यूमेंट के नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कुवत उल इस्लाम मस्जिद है? विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, ताजमहल, हुमायूंस टूम या कुतुब मीनार?
Pakka pakka Qutub Minar.
Pakka pakka Qutub Minar. Have you been to Delhi and the Qutub Minar?
No.
So you're guessing.
No.
Okay, it's a good guess. You get 100 points. It is the Qutub Minar. Don Bosco, you're still doing well. You're up to 250. Come on, now let's play and make it 350. Cricket. Who is the oldest Indian to score a one-day international 100?
ओडीआईज में शतक बनाने वाले सबसे ज्यादा उम्र वाला भारतीय कौन है? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं अनिल कुंबले, सचिन तेंदुलकर, सुनील गावस्कर या कपिल देव?
सुनील गावस्कर पक्का पक्का।
Sunil Gavaskar, pakka pakka. Are you sure?
No.
You're guessing?
Yeah.
Well, it's a good guess. You get 100 points. It is Sunil Gavaskar. Very, very good. He was 38 years of age when he scored 100. Good. Which country is the breeding ground of 60% of the world's Atlantic puffins?
किस देश में दुनिया की 60% अटलांटिक पफिन्स ब्रीड करती हैं? आइसलैंड, कनाडा, नेपाल या ब्राजील?
Pakka pakka Canada.
Pakka pakka Canada. Pakka pakka Canada is...
The wrong answer. यानी कि अब आपको 50 पॉइंट्स के लिए दोबारा ट्राई करना होगा।
आइसलैंड पक्का पक्का।
आइसलैंड पक्का पक्का।
Iceland is a good answer. In fact, very, very good. You're up to 400. But today, even 400 is not good enough. Thanks for being here, Don Bosco, Kolkata. But to play our final round called Super Over, it will be Amritsar versus Chennai. And we have to say goodbye to Don Bosco, Kolkata. We've got one more round coming up. It's called Super Over. We'll have 6 more questions. We'll do that. Bus.
कुछ ही पल में।
Whichever team writes down the correct answer first, that team automatically will win this episode and move into the final. Holy Heart Amritsar have got into top gear. Chinmaya Chennai don't have an answer.
Bonvita Quiz Contest. Bonvita Quiz Contest.
आप देख रहे हैं बोनवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट। हमने 3 टीम्स के साथ शुरुआत की थी और उनमें से सिर्फ 2 स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टीम्स पहुंची हैं हमारे आखिरी राउंड में। होली हार्ट अमृतसर और चिन्मया विद्यालय चेन्नई एक दूसरे को बहुत टफ कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं हमारे आखिरी राउंड सुपर ओवर में। आप दोनों ही टीम से पूछे जाएंगे 6 सवाल। हर सही जवाब का होगा 1 नंबर। आपको सिर्फ 10 सेकंड दिए जाएंगे और 10 सेकंड में आपको सही जवाब लिखना है।
Good luck, Chennai. Good luck, Amritsar. 6 questions to go, but only one spot in that final to go. So, will it be Punjab or will it be Tamil Nadu? Here's the first of 6 questions. Remember, don't be in a hurry. If you're watching at home, you can actually see the teams writing down the answers. Here's the first one. Despite its hump, a camel has a straight spine. Am I serious or joking?
हम्प होने के बावजूद ऊंट की स्पाइन सीधी होती है, सही या गलत? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Time up. Both have written serious. In other words, both of you think a camel in fact has a straight spine, and that is a straight answer, which is correct. 1 point to Chinmaya Chennai, 1 point to Holy Heart Amritsar. We've got question number 2. Which late singer was born as Jagmohan Singh in 1941?
1941 में पैदा हुए किस गजल सिंगर का नाम जगमोहन सिंह था? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Holy Heart Amritsar have got into top gear. Chinmaya Chennai, time is out. Chinmaya Chennai don't have an answer. Jagmohan Singh, Holy Heart Amritsar feels that was Jagjit Singh. Holy Heart Amritsar, you now have 2 points. That's the right answer. Holy Heart Amritsar 2. Chinmaya Chennai, you've got 1 point. And we've got question number 3. In English, how many colors of the rainbow have exactly 6 letters in their name?
अंग्रेजी में रेनबो के कितने रंगों में 6 अक्षर आते हैं? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Take your time. Exactly 6 letters. For indigo, orange,
Violet and
Violet.
violet, yellow. 4 colors. Chinmaya Chennai. Very, very good. Now, Chinmaya Chennai, you've got 2 points. Holy Heart Amritsar also 2 points. We've got 3 questions to go. Whom did Barack Obama succeed as President of the United States of America?
बराक ओबामा से पहले अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति कौन थे? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Full names.
समय खत्म हो गया है आपका। होली
Both have written George Bush. None of you have written George W. Bush. So assume I accept your answer. So let's give you 1 point each. That will be Holy Heart Amritsar 3, Chinmaya Chennai 3. Agati, Amini, Androt, Bitra, Chetlat are islands of which union territory in India?
अगती, अमिनी, एंड्रॉट, बित्रा और चेतलात किस यूनियन टेरिटरी का टापू हैं? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Amritsar have written Lakshadweep as time's run out. Chinmaya Chennai have written Lakshadweep. And the right answer is,
लक्षद्वीप।
and both of you get 1 point each. Wow. Holy Heart Amritsar, Chinmaya Chennai. We've got 1 more question to go. Remember when you played innings, both of you got 500 each. So if it's equal, we'll have to have a tiebreaker. But now, last question. The 3 Padma awards are Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and
पद्मश्री, पद्म भूषण के अलावा तीसरा पद्म अवार्ड कौन सा है? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
time is up. Chinmaya Chennai have written Padma Vibhushan. Holy Heart Amritsar have written Padma Vibhushan. We shall give you 1 point each. The scores are equal. Both of you are right. Excellent, Padma Vibhushan. So at the end of Super Over, Chinmaya Chennai 5 points, Holy Heart Amritsar also 5 points, and Super Over is over. So we're going to have a tiebreaker now. Listen to the rules. We ask you one question. We do not say your time starts now. We just ask you the question. Whichever team writes down the correct answer first, that team automatically will win this episode and move into the final. All the best Punjab, all the best Tamil Nadu. Here's the question. Which is the largest bird native to Africa?
अफ्रीका के सबसे बड़े पक्षी का नाम बताइए.
They've written it first. Chinmaya Chennai, ostrich is the answer. Holy Heart Amritsar was second, but Chinmaya Chennai, too fast and too good. Well done. If you're at home and if you still want to win more prizes, well, join us in 2 minutes on Twitter. That's Twitter. My Twitter handle is @QuizDerek. We'll see you on Twitter.
तो मुस्कुराते रहिए and a very happy Holi from both of us, Derek and Soumya. Birthday, dear Derek. Happy birthday.